Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable reserved storage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing. Before you wish to enable or disable it, I wish to show you how to check the reserved storage. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the right pane, scroll down and you will find an option called as storage. Okay, click on that. Okay, and wait till it loads. It needs a lot of time to load, and there will be a system reserved option which you can check here if it exists. Now in my case it does not, but if you find the system reserved option, let's see if we see it in more categories. Yes, so 39.9 GB is the system reserved option. Okay, now if you wish to disable reserved storage, use the first command. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. And if you wish to enable it later, simply copy the second command, the one which says enabled at the end, search for command prompt, run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.